All this noise is needed to build a space for 2 electron microscopes to work in silence. The new Molecular Horizons building will house 2 advanced scientific equipment, the Titan Krios and the Talos Arctica. Electron microscopes are useful in all areas of science, especially when it comes to treating diseases. Using these microscopes to visualize the structure of a protein molecule when disease strikes allow researchers to design drug molecules for treatment, just like how a key fits into a lock.
Using the electron microscopy, we can now understand almost how the lock looks like from the inside, taking a picture, and that would allow you to design an actual key that will fit and will open the door in one go.
Researchers want students to be more hands-on, and they hope these new facilities bridge the gap between undergraduate students and higher-level technology.
I think it gives undergrads the chance to actually know how the technique works, to get a bit of experience through their lab projects, or if they do honours.
The 3-level building will have teacher labs, classrooms, and a seminar hall that will be occupied by teachers, staff, and researchers by mid-December.
Until then, the builders need to ensure the microscopes are housed in a space with no sound, vibration, oscillation, or electromagnetic interference. Dishwashers aren't found in the building, and elevators are at least 25 meters away from the microscopes. Once they're moved, researchers will be unwrapping the new Christmas gifts at the Molecular Horizons building, eager to unpack the structures of protein molecules and resolve other puzzles.